In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to access your personal email now that we have Securely. You begin by opening Google Chrome and signing into your school Gmail account. Once you have your Gmail account open, you click the plus sign to open up a new tab. If your personal account is a Gmail account, you are going to go over and click on the Gmail icon that is located in the upper right-hand corner. Select Add Another Account, and you'll see here that I actually have my admin account and my Google account. Once I add another account, my personal Gmail account will show up here, and you will be easily able to flip between the two. But for right now, I'm going to click Add Another Account. Going to click Use Another Account, enter in my credentials and your password. And in my case, I have phone authentication turned on, so it is authenticating over my phone. And here is my Gmail personal account. So you can keep both tabs open throughout the day if you want to look at your personal Gmail. If your personal Gmail is not a Google account, for example, it is a Yahoo account, or in my case, a NetNet account, then you again open up a new tab. In the search bar, you enter in the URL for the email provider that you use. You enter in your username and password, and you click sign in, and then you have your personal email. If by some chance you get this error message, that is just saying that Securely has lost track of who you are, and they need to know who you are before they will allow your traffic through. So just click on the school login button, re-enter your school Gmail account, and then proceed to opening the tab and opening your personal email. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to open up a help desk, and one of us will be able to assist you. Thank you. Have a good day.